Here we go. One fall to a finish. Pinfall, submission, and disqualifications are all in play.
With these competitors, this should be amazing.
And he escapes the hold. King, talk to us about Cara.
Here's the thing. This match, of course, isn't for the championship, but the champ can't afford to look past this one. If he does, he could lose momentum or even worse, get an injury. We're in the feeling out process here. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control? Watch it.
Debilitating impact to the spine and back. The things Cara can do are simply amazing. Athletically, he's in a league of his own. This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages in over 110 countries. The world backbreaker.
Much more of that, and he's not going to last long. Don't expect a lot of mercy to be shown here.
King, are you looking forward to that huge match later tonight?
Oh, yeah. We're going to see an amazing cage match later tonight. It's going to be good.
Hard shot to Cara. The Viper, like Randy Orton, is just so scary when he realizes he's in control.
You can never get complacent. Never think you have things well in hand when you face Randy Orton. He'll strike when you least expect it.
And Orton just unloading with a huge right. This is where Orton becomes so dangerous. It's almost like he's wrestling with thoughts inside his head, struggling to find out what he's going to do next. When to take it to that next gear and that next level. Look at the disdain in the eyes of the Viper.
Randy Orton is just unbalanced. There's nothing as terrifying as looking into the Viper's eyes when he's in this kind of mental state.
What a match.
What a backbreaker by Orton. Whoa!
He's measuring. What a move. Can he capitalize?
Oh, he's in trouble now. Uh-oh.
Trying to put him away. The Viper strikes. RKO. One, two, three. And Orton picks up the win.
Here's your winner, Randy Orton.
He gets a big victory.